Everybody, let me talk in this video about GridView. We talked about in previous video about how we do list view. Then what about the GridView? GridView is same as list view, but you do not display your data as list, you display it as a grid. So I will not change a lot from previous tutorials. I will just go to the ticket. So instead of having this one full screen, if you see it, you just take full screen. Let me just change the width for this one. For example, I would change it to 100. For example, 100 pt dB. I just change to this way, and that is, yeah, this is the title description. This is my cell. This is single cell. I will change it. I want to use it a lot in my design. In a grid layout, I will not change a lot, as I told you. Here, I just change it to GridView. And in the code also, when you call a GridView, instantiate instance from list view, you instantiate instance from list view, you will work with the GridView. So yes, I know the code. I have the code. I will not change a lot. Everything is good, and I don't think there is many change needed in the code. Yes, that's okay. Now if I go back here to the design, I have to add something. Instead of adding this one layout dividers, if you see, I have to add something like how the horizontal spacing. I will say, okay, horizontal spacing. For example, I will give it 5 pt, and vertical spacing, vertical spacing, how much the space between vertical element, let's also give it 5 pt. Also, let me talk about most interesting part, how much the column width. The column width, I will say, okay, 110 dB, because I last give it the column width will be in the view. I say, okay, the column width here will be 100, so I will give it here 110, just be more flexible for column width in the design. Now this is the most important part, how many number column I will display in every row. You could display, for example, I would say only 2 of them. That means only 2 will be displayed in every row. You could do auto fit, will be better. That means he will display as much as he can in different devices. I would say it's better to use auto fit because you have different device size. Some devices will display 2, some decide to display 3 in the row, some devices 10. It's different from one device. But if you want to be specific, you could say, okay, I would display 2 or 10 or 4. See, GridView is different. Thank you for watching, and see you next.